Hello friends, day 55 and no Pennine Way today, it's been St Cuthbert's Way today. Some great views at the beginning after leaving Kirk Yetholm, and so a couple of really good community shops as well, one in Yetholm and one a bit further on. And I've met loads of interesting people again today, just keeps on happening. The highlight today for me was meeting a couple who were walking St Cuthbert's Way to Lindisfarne, Holy Island, and they were going there for Friday, which is their 30th wedding anniversary, and they were married on Lindisfarne, and they're going to walk across the causeway on Friday and celebrate their 30th wedding anniversary. I thought that was really lovely. So I hope they have a beautiful day on Friday. As for me, I'm cracking on, going to be through Melrose and Peebles tomorrow and see where I get to. See you on the trail. Tonight's pitch is not as good as some of the ones I've had, but it's perfectly adequate. I'm just off St Cuthbert's Way.